You guys ready for this? You ready? Look at the mess I make. Flats, cleated, right here. They got metal in them, so you can put them around your nose. Instead of stretchy string, I'm using the rope slides with paracord. Got metal on all the noses. Got the two fabrics, the cloth. Paracord goes all the way through the bottom, so it snugs up good. Across the top, snugs up good. Other side, same way. But here's what I'm using for my filter paper. You can see one layer here is actually, one's an N95. Then this other one is a microfilm. Let's see if we can get that baby open. Don't look at my dirty fingers. We're working all day outside. Then there's another filter that's supposed to block a 0.2. But once it's damp, I'm not sure how it is. But we've been putting this to a washer, and that's a N95. You can see it's fairly, I don't know, you can't really tell on the camera, but it's nested nails. But you can see that it's kind of thickish. And this is a thin paper that goes on there. What happens is I take, it's got the unicorn pattern out, I take 2 layers. Hold on, drop the filter. 2 layers. Take this, put it inside, I'll sew all the way around it. So now your mask has this filters in it on the back side. Then I cleat them. See how nice and cleated? So this is real tight here. This one opens up over your face. Got your nice nose adjuster in there for a nice little piece of aluminum. Cut thin, folded in half. That's what that is. Just aluminum from Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever one you want to talk about. Thin piece of probably 8 inches long. Comes in a little bit of a sheet. Cut it, fold it in half with a pair of pliers. So it's fairly thick. And put it in there and sew it in. You can see you have to sew around it a little bit. And then the bottom, since the cord runs in there, is pretty straight. And then no stretch. That's those clips. Call them rope slides or rope locks. There you have it. Go Browns. See? Can't see the filter. But it's in there. Peace out. That's my idea. Since I couldn't find no stretchy cords. And then see the cool Browns ones.